Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in the third game of our Interlodge Mason Basketball League, powered by the so-called Ballers. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Carson, California, as the matchup for today is Gardena Monito Lodge going up against Torrance University. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with our committee stable here, Jesse Navalta, and with our referees, Doug Mickens and Billy Davis. The starting five for Torrance University is Gadut, Conrad Tan, Mark Ellis, Gaget, and Kasaysayan. For Gardena Monito Lodge, we have Del Solde, Manzon, Nukon, Cabanatan, and Shan. As we go for the opening tip-off, here we go. Who are the players to watch out for both teams? Well, for Torrance University, you have the shooter, Conrad Tan. He can light it up from long distance. We also have Mark Ellis, who is their ace point guard. No basket for Gadut. For Gardena Monito Lodge, we have Del Solde and Manzon at the backcourt. And ball will remain with Torrance University. Gaget takes it inside. And ball will remain with Torrance University. A slow start for both teams. They go underneath the basket. Gadut gets the rebound and he makes the first basket. The Torrance University help. Lodge faithfuls are here to support their team as Del Solde misses the three-point attempt. Mark Ellis, their leading scorer from last game. Tan, high-low play, and ball will go to the other side. Gardena Monito Lodge wearing the green and white jersey, while for the Torrance University, they are wearing white jersey. Manzon will be manning their point guard duties as the pass was too strong. Torrance University, the crowd is on their side. Shout out sa crowd ng Torrance University Lodge. They go at the corner. Mark Ellis stepping on the line. Or traveling for Mark Ellis, as both teams feeling each other out in the early goings. Well, for Torrance University, they have won their first game against Palaka Shooting Club, if I'm not mistaken, no? In their respective division. Del Solde kicks it out to Nukon. Solde again with a challenge from Tan. Rebound goes to Torrance University. As they go run and gun offense, drop pass. Miscommunication from Kasaysayan. And the chance for Gardena Monito to close the gap here. They're looking at a zone defense. Solde goes baseline. Drop pass to Cabanatan. Tan with the defense from Manzon, able to recover it. However, he fails to make that basket. Manzon with a defensive stop goes to Chan underneath the basket, and look at Gadut embracing that rebound, inhaling it. Pressure from Manzon. Pump fake. Kasaysayan loses the handle. As he sets the table here for Manzon. Finding Del Solde, this guy's a shooter, and Solde knocks it down for the first point of Gardena Monito Lodge, 3-2. Well, Ellis, Gadut, or rather Gaget, foul will be called on Chan. His first personal foul. And Chan with the steal, but Gadut able to recover it. Gadut challenging the defense, attacks the rim. Gadut again powering his way against some smaller defenders. Gaget unable to handle it. Ooh, down the floor. Solde challenging Tan, in and out. Ellis with the rebound. Ellis on the run. looking for his teammates. Ellis. Traveling violation again. Wait for the referee. Substitution. Ref. We'll wait for the referee. Substitution. In the game is Canyoza. In for Newcott. Fresh legs for Gardena Monita. Corner 3. Short from Solde. Chan unable to get the offensive board. Ellis. Fast break opportunity for them. And foul will be called on Canyoza. Canyoza, that's his first personal foul for Canyoza. Second team foul for Gardena Monita Lodge. With 15 minutes left here in the first half. Remember, this is 2 halves of 20 minutes apiece. As Ellis drains it from Rainbow Country. Well, you don't allow Ellis to make those baskets, no? Otherwise, he will just keep on making it rain together with Conrad Tan, no? Gaget will try his luck from the corner, and Gaget looking at the bench of Gardena Monita Lodge. And Gaget making his presence felt here, 8-3. Tuwang-tuwang kababayan niya, si Brother Harlem Ruiz, no? Both from Region 2, no? If I believe so. No? Substitution. Remember, this is running time, huh? This is running time. AJ Masorong in the ball game. Fresh legs for Torrance University. Substitution, yeah, will go until okay. You call on to the number, huh? As Torrance University up with 5. Masorong in the ball game together with Galion. They swing that ball around. Conrad Tan. Too strong. And look at the box out from AJ Masorong. I think we'll go to the other side. AJ Masorong of Brazen Pillars, no? I wonder which team he will choose in the 4th game, no? Because after the 4th game, you need to choose your own team, no? Otherwise, you cannot play with 2 teams, no? Kumbaga sa Tagalog, hindi ka pwede mamangka sa dalawang ilog, no? You need to choose a team, no? Your free agent stuff.
Sub kami sa kay Chan.
Masorong, quick passing. Tan, still unable to find his rhythm here. Finding Masorong in the paint. Masorong throws it. Rebound again. The rebounding of Torrance University has been making the difference for them so far. Del Solde against Tan. Tan, quick defensive awareness for him as Solde takes it closer. He's the only scorer here for Gardena Monita Lodge as he scored all 5 points, all coming from Del Solde. As they slow things down here. Half court set. Ramos losing the level. Substitution, ref. Substitution. In the ball game is Valencia for Chan. Free throws will be given to Ramos with 12 minutes left in the ball game. 8-5. Game within the reach. Or game within reach. Sorry about that. Baseline throw in. They're still not yet in the penalty. Chua using the screen from Galion. Chua way off the mark as Manson will let it go out of bounds. Gardena Monita Lodge relying heavily on Del Solde.
Hey, he didn't know. He don't play basketball.
Ooh.
I hope dribble the ball. Warning. We're gonna give a warning.
Warning for Gardena Monita Lodge, the bench of Gardena Monita Lodge. Behavior decorum here for Gardena Monita Lodge as the referee is giving them a warning. Well, that was gracious from our referee Billy Davis. Canyoza attacking the D. Solde again. Solde! All 8 points from Del Solde. Well, this guy is a prolific scorer, no? All the score coming from him, but how long can they rely on him, no? That's the question. Galion. And another turnover. Well, somebody has to step up here for Gardena Monita. No? They need to give it to the referees. Well, for Torrance University, Gaget and Ellis is in the bench. They're both leading scorers for both teams, and Gadut as well. Canyoza goes baseline. The defense from AJ Masorong stopping him. As Ramos finding Chua. Chua. Rebound taken away. And it will remain with Torrance University. Avellana. No opening. Finds Ramos. Ramos with the basket. Well, that was a good team play for Torrance University, as now they're up by 2 points, 10-8 against Gardena Monita with 9 minutes remaining here in the first half. Manzon, no opening. They swing that ball to the other side. Canyoza, long distance attempt. Masorong grabs the board. Well, Masorong has been providing some quality minutes for Torrance University. No? Pump fake, Chua takes it closer. Chua, in and out. Masorong with the rebound, fade away. Masorong cleans up the board for AJ Masorong. Timeout will be called by Gardena Monita Lodge with 9 minutes and 23. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Pero babalik ka rin dito. Mamaya. Dapat ang 12 points, sir. Kasi para pag nag-switch, hindi na rin to. Hindi na papalitan.
Palagi kasi pag light color dito.
Right side. Okay, understand.
Na kami ha. Ulul.
Ganun palagi.
Okay. Understandable. Kasi pagka switch ng score, hindi dapat mag-switch ng score na. Okay.
Make sure palagi may light color sa dito talaga. May ibang nalog kasi ng
Welcome back to the first half action between the game of Gardena Monita Lodge and Torrance University Lodge. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man, your MC host, commentator for the day. And together with Jesse Navalta, the Tito of the committee's table, as Torrance University up by 4. And all the way to the hole, listed down for Avellana as he makes the basket, 14-8. Well, Torrance University playing as a team, playing as a unit, while Gardena Monita Lodge relying heavily on Del Solde alone. Substitution refs. Wait for the cue for the referee after the first throw. Or okay, you can come in according to our referee. Well, going back to our analysis, no, Del Solde has only been their leading scorer so far for Gardena Monita Lodge, while for Torrance University, playing as a team, playing as a unit, behind Gaget, Masorong, Ellis, Gadut, and Avellana and Ramos, no? Evenly scoring for Torrance University. Well, the golden question, by the way, no, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Brother Rob David, Worshipful Master from Dallas, Texas, Grand Lodge of Texas. We would like to recognize Brother Worshipful Master, Brother David. And of course, our Commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez. The golden question, Brother Derek, is when is the match between Torrance University and Brazen Pillars? No? Inaabangan ko din yan eh. Inaabangan ko yan eh. With the championship matchup between them. No? 1-1 sila in the championship scoreboard in the past 3 years. So I was part of the first season. No? Wide open. Blancas, nothing for him. And here comes Gardena Monita, but Conrad Tan coming from behind. Our score is 14-9. Wide open, Chua comes up short. And on the run is Gardena Monita, and again, Del Sol is saving them. All the points from Del Solde. Well, what will Gardena Monita Lodge do without Del Solde? No? He's the only scorer for this team. Somebody has to step up. Conrad Tan lining it up from long range. However, that was too strong. They will try to use the half-court set here. Marvin Manzon. Great point guard for finally. And foul will be called. Number 4. Substitution, wait for the referee's cue. We wait for the referee's cue. Number 7. Anong last name ni number 17? Wala siya. Romero on the line. He'll wait for the referee's cue for the substitution. And finally, some scoring. Oh, no basket. Stepping on the line. I thought somebody has scored for Gardena Monita, but still, it's Del Solde. Romero on the line, so you gotta watch out for that free throw stepping thing from the referee. As finally, someone scoring other than Del Solde for Gardena Monita Lodge. Mark Ellis is back, the leading scorer. This guy scored 13 points last game for Torrance University. Avellana wide open. And Avellana, that's Gaget. Gaget, back-to-back 3-point shot from Gaget. Gab Gaget, 6 points from long distance. Tuwan-tuwa si Brother Harlem yan, kay Brother Gaget, no? Rebound taken by Romero. 1 point from Romero and the rest from Del Solde. Marvin Manzon, drop pass. Still nothing for Gardena Monita. However, they're just down by 5, no? Still anybody's ball game. No look pass. Ellis to Kasaysayan. Miscommunication there. With 4 minutes remaining, Manzon, full court pressure. However, he was able to escape. Romero, pump fake, taking it closer. 3 defenders on him. Del Solde wide open again. Nothing for Del Solde. What a ball game. This is Super Bowl Sunday here in Carson City, California. So-called ballers. Interlodge basketball. Ellis stuck in traffic. Finds a way to tap it to Tan. Tan decides to drop it off. And Kasaysayan making history here for Kasaysayan. As Tan, another turnover for Gardena Monita. Mark Ellis. Too strong, they tap it away. Gaget fighting for the loose ball. Gaget able to save it. Mark Ellis again. Mark Ellis! And the crowd loving it for Torrance University. Nag-subscribe na ba kayo sa ating YouTube page? So-called Ballers 21 Mag-subscribe naman kayo. So-called Ballers 21. Attacking the lane, stolen away. Ellis, Gaget, he has the momentum. No look pass. He loses it. Romero on the run. Transition offense. Villanueva, nothing on him. Taken by Gadot. Ellis trying to bank it up for Kasaysayan. Lucky break for Canyoza. Romero. Wild turn of events here. On the run, 2-on-1 situation. Mark Ellis. Ellis to Gaget. Gaget. 8 points for Gab Gaget. Timeout. Timeout, Gardena Monita Lodge as Gab Gaget soaring with 8 points. We'll be right back after this timeout. 24-12.
Sub 14.
Worship BJ, are you okay, Worship BJ? Good to know. Alright, back to the action. As if you have just tuned into this ball game, Gab Gaget with 8 points in the first half. What a revelation for Torrance University. He has been the secret weapon of this lodge so far. Behind Mark Ellis and Conrad Tano, they find their third guy in Gab Gaget. Back to the action. Brand new set of players for Gardena Monita Lodge. Stolen away. Mark Ellis leading the charge. Rebound taken away by Lagrolo. Crossover from Romero, able to escape, but he loses the handle. Gaget holding on to that leather. Gaget almost a turnover. Chan 3-on-2 situation. Chan goes for the layup. They are stuck at 12 for GML. Ellis one-on-one against Cabanatan as he pulls back, tries to set the half-court. Crossover against Del Solde. Here comes Kasaysayan! Kasaysayan! 6 points also from Kasaysayan. Well, good assist there from Mark Ellis, finding his open teammate. Well, this guy is an excellent point guard, no, for Torrance University, as he has been unselfish, has fouled downstairs against. That's gonna be on Ramos, rather, or rather on Kasaysayan. Kasaysayan, right? Kasaysayan will be called for the foul. Nalilito ako kay Ramos tsaka kay Kasaysayan. Same body frame, no? On the free throw line is Romero. Remember, this is running time, huh? So 50 seconds remaining. $40 seconds remaining. We only stopped the time last 2 minutes of the second half. But for the first half, it's gonna be running time even if it's a free throw shot. Romero, unable to make both free throws, and ball will go. Foul on Chan. 17 seconds remaining. Last shot for Torrance University, unless Gardena Monita forces some turnover. Ellis being pressured by Romero, crossover. Ellis, and that's the end of the first half. Torrance University up 26-12 against Gardena Monita Lodge. Can the Torrance University Lodge grab back-to-back wins here in this tournament? We'll find out after the first half. Alright, good morning. We start the second half action here between Gardena Monita Lodge going up against Torrance University. This is the third game of our 4-game headliner here in Carson, California for the Interlodge Basketball League, powered by the Soulful Ballers. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man. You know who I am, together with our committee, Jesse Navalta, with our referees, Doug Mickens and referee Billy Davis. If you have just tuned in, Torrance University up by 14, 26-12 against Gardena Monita Lodge. Who are the leading scorers for both teams? Well, for Gardena Monita Lodge, 10 points coming from Solde. Out of the 12 points from Gardena Monita Lodge, 10 points coming from Del Solde. While for Torrance University Lodge, 8 points coming from Gab Gaget. Let's start this ball game up. 14-point lead separating both teams. Ellis on the attack. Foul will be called against Del Solde. Yes, of course, Pangan. Shout out to Pangan. Hindi ka pa naglalaro, Brother Pangan. MVP, Brother Pangan. Hinihintay ka namin maglaro. Ellis on the line. Makes his first basket. Well, Ellis has been dishing out those assists for Torrance University, no? And the main recipient is Kasaysayan and Gab Gaget, no? Who has 8 points. 6 points coming from the 3-point range. Canyoza, still scoreless. Kick ball from Ramos. And an opportunity for Torrance University, or for Gardena Monita Lodge to close the gap as they're employing a zone defense. Well, we haven't seen Tan score here for Torrance University. Well, foul on Gadut, and Canyozo will go to the line. Well, that is something that Gardena Monita Lodge needs, no? Another scorer aside from Del Solde, no? Because it has been so predictable for Gardena Monita Lodge. Shut down Del Solde, and you shut down the whole offense of Gardena Monita Lodge. Let's see if they have other weapons here for the GML team. Gardena Monita Lodge wearing green jersey, while Torrance University wearing white jersey. Shout out kay Brother Panga, no? Shout out ulit kay Brother Panga. Baka ikaw ang secret weapon na hinahanap namin. Baka lang, not sure pa. Ball will remain with another free throws will be given to Canyoza. Well, you gotta find his rhythm here because they're down by, calculate pa ako, no? 27 to 12, no? Down by 15. Or not, they're down by 14. Ellis, they go down low, fade away. Taken away by Cabanatan. Solde one-on-one against Avellana. Kicks it out to Romero. Romero, short. On the run. Here comes Ramos, blocked from behind. From Canyoza, Avellana pressuring him, but Canyoza able to recall back. Coast to coast for Canyoza, no foul there. Ramos against 3 defenders. Foul on Avellana, number 21. Foul on Avellana, that's his first personal foul. Physicality down low. Romero, another chance for them to close the score here, 27 to 13, 14-point game separating both teams. First shot from Romero. 2 points for Romero. Special shout out to Brother Harlem Ruiz kung nandito pa, no? Brother Harlem Ruiz. Kaya ganado si Brother Gab Gaget eh. Nanonood yung manager. Fade away, short. Romero steps on the line. And they will slow things down here as they are in command, 27 to 14. Mark Ellis has been their leader so far, and he loses the ball. Romero capitalizing on it against Avellana. Finds Del Solde. Del Solde kicks it out to Romero. Block. That foul again will be called on. Let's wait for the referee's number signal. Foul on Avellana, 21. That's his second personal foul for Avellana. Third personal foul on Avellana. Just a warning for Avellana, third personal foul. Substitution ref. Wait for the referee's cue. Wait for the referee's cue. You always look for the referees if you want to substitute. Romero misses his free throws. The free throw woes continue here for Gardena Monita, but slowly but surely they're trying to make a comeback here. Down by 14, 13 to 27. 13 ba yan? Yes, 13. Our official score is 30 to 27. Official time is 13 minutes. Of course, on our coverage, we haven't synced in yet our time with the official clock, but we'll try to do something about it. Ellis, their court general, setting the table for Torrance University. With 15 seconds on the shot clock, using the screen from Tan. Pick and roll! Or pick and pop rather, pick and pop. Conrad Tan missing the shot. But that play was well executed, no? That was a great play. Everything but the shot. Chan powering his way in the paint. And substitution. And Torrance University. Substitution. As Ramos. All smiles for Gadut. 12 minutes remaining here in the second half. Tan finding the cutter. And Kasaysayan. 8 points for Kasaysayan as well. Tying the highest score of Gab Gaget. 8 apiece. Solde launches. Comes up empty. And Chan almost going out of the paint court. Trying to save the ball. But you gotta commend him for doing that. Huh? It means that his hustle play, trying to give some energy for Gardena Monita Lodge. Showing us his handles for Mark Ellis. Pulls back. The pressure is on. Mark Ellis crossover. Zigzagging his way. They tap it. And it will go. Drop pass. Wala ako ng number 4. What's the last name of number 4? Ano last name of number 4? Ha? Sebastian, number 4. Sebastian at the middle. Manzon. Looking at his options. Finds Romero. Romero. Against 3 defenders. Kasaysayan again. Coming out of nowhere. Substitution. AJ Masoro in the ball game. Well, AJ Masoro providing quality minutes for Torrance University. Substitution, wait for the referee. Wait for the referee's cue. Wait for the referee's cue. Sa referee ang tingin na, guys. Short. Sebastian comes up with the board.
Manson pala, Manson.
Yeah, for the referees, huh? Wait for the referees. Manzon, one-on-one against Ellis. Cross court, Aligna. Pump fake. Hesitating. Chan, and Chan with the end one. Cutting the lead down to 13. Substitution. Foul. Substitution. Lagrono. On the free throw line is Chan, providing that needed energy for Gardena Monita. And he completes the 3-point play, 29-17, with under 9 minutes left. Masorong converts, like we keep on mentioning, this guy providing quality minutes. 4 points off the bench for AJ Masorong. 14. Sebastian Aligna being rattled here. Baseline, Lagrono rather. Substitution, yeah? Substitution. And the ball game is Nukon in the ball game as well for Torrance University. We have Chua. Nukon, fresh legs for them. Sebastian, top of the key. Masorong with the rebound. And a turnover for Torrance University. 31-17 with under 7 minutes and 40 remaining here. Seven minutes. Nukon. The defense from Chua suffocating the life out of Nukon right there. Chua, no look pass and too strong. The crowd loving it. Look at the supporters from Torrance University. Shout out Torrance University fans. Magano naman kayo. YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube page, SoCal Ballers 21, okay? Don't forget. Sebastian, if you want to watch the replay, of course. From the elbow, tap goes to Torrance University. That's Kasaysayan. Well, Kasaysayan has been a big revelation here for Torrance University. Timeout, Torrance University. We'll be right back after this timeout. As Torrance University enjoying 31-17 against Gardena Monida. We'll be right back.
Maganda yung next game, ano? Pakrim, tsaka sila Kuyang Derek. Parehas malakas yun.
Back to the action. Torrance University up 31-17 against Gardena Monida Lodge. All 10 points coming from Del Solde and 7 points shared by the rest of the team. All fun and games for Gardena Monida, even if they're down. Well, that's the main purpose of this league, no? Camaraderie, brotherhood, friendship. So, of course, exercise. And having fun, of course, for our weekend warriors here in this ball game. Gab Gaget is back in the ball game, one of the leading scorers for Torrance University with 8 points. Chua, Gaget will try to hit it, unable to convert though. Managing the play. Romero, still too strong for him. Gaget waiting for his teammates. Gaget against Solde. Both leading scorers for both teams. They drop it off. Gadut. No opening. Baseline. Blocked! And Del Solde all alone. Will he convert? Del Solde, 12 points for Del Solde. Cutting the lead to 12, 19-31. Well, they can still make a run here, depending on the outcome. Well, they just need to make some stops here. Easier said than done. Romero. To Lucon. Del Solde, 1-1 against Chua. Kicks it out, quick passing. Romero, pump fake, gets his man out the air. Takes it closer, goes for the layup. And now it's down to a 10-point lead. As Gardena Monida Lodge making a comeback here with 5 minutes and 10 remaining. The crowd edging them.
May timeout pa kami, di ba, Brad?
Rebound. Battle for the loose ball.
May timeout pa. Dalawa pa.
Ball will go to Gardena Monida Lodge. Timeout for Torrance University as they use their last timeout for Torrance University. Last timeout. Garden Grove Lodge trying to knock on that door. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Hindi nyo ginamit yung panin, walang carry over.
Walang carry over.
Hindi nyo ginamit sa first half yung isa.
Ano ko ba, the whole game,
Tatlo pero maximum of 2.
In the second half.
Walang carry over.
Back to the action after that timeout. Gardena Monita Lodge just down by 10. Can they make it a single digit? Well, we'll find out. Romero finds an opening. Miscommunication between Romero and Canyoza. A golden opportunity for Torres University to extend the lead. Full court pressure from Manzon and Romero. Gaget against Solde. Double team comes. Manzon from behind. Canyoza picking up the loose ball. Manzon will set up the play. Manzon Del Solde not looking. Substitution ref. Wait for the referee. Substitution. Okay. In the ball game is Cabanatan. Torres University, they are scoreless in the last 2 minutes. Tan, he sees an opening, and Tan finally makes a basket, timely basket for Conrad Tan. Del Solde, in and out. 33-21, back to a 12-point lead for Torres University with 3 minutes and 40 left here in the second half. Mark Ellis being challenged by Manzon. Almost stolen away, but Gadot able to save it. Pump fake. Chua. No space for him. Foul on Cabanatan. That's Cabanatan, number 25. Cabanatan foul. Chua. Wide open for Chua. Too strong. Cabanatan tracks the loose ball. Cabanatan finds a way to escape. Cabanatan ahead of the pack. No go for him. Ellis. They're using the clock on their side with less than 3 minutes remaining here. Crossover Ellis. Looking for his teammates. And backcourt violation for Gab Gaget. What a ball game. Trying to make a comeback here for Gardena Monita Lodge. This is their first game in this tournament. They tap it to Romero. Romero wide open. No go. Torres University, Gab Gaget ahead of the pack. 3-on-1 situation. Gaget loses the ball. 2 minutes and 20 remaining. 12-point game. They need some sense of urgency here. Romero, pump fake against Tan. Double team. Look at the defense of Tan and Gaget. Stopping that play. Duty foul from Manzon. As last 2 minutes, we stop the clock. Last 2 minutes. That last 2 minutes is brought to you by our Tito Jesse Navalta. No.
More than 10 points.
More than 10 points, last 2 minutes. Crossover. No look pass. Pauly. Short. Cabanatan. Foul will be called. Oh, that was a bailout call as someone is down. Hopefully nothing is wrong. And that is a...
Best acting.
As Canyoza, well, we're glad that he's okay. You know? Ball will go back. 1 minute and 30 is our official time. Canyoza crossover. Almost losing it. Del Soda against Pauly. The double team. And look at Ellis tracking down the loose ball. Ellis to Tan. Icing on the cake for Conrad Tan. As it is safe to say that they will cruise to a back-to-back wins for Torrance University. Mark Ellis. Pauly wide open. Misses for Cabanatan. Pauly comes up short. One more time for Polly. 10. Polly, one more time for Polly. All fun and games as Torrance University will seal the victory. And that's the end of the ball game. Torrance University escaping with a victory led by Mark Ellis, Conrad Tan, and Gab Gaget. Torrance University, 2 wins in this tournament, leading their bracket. 2 wins and 0 losses for Torrance University. That ends the third game. We'll be right back for the fourth game of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. Official score 35-21.